Without slight shake of doubt, fans' favorite baako Justice Nkoku Blay. The contract ho nsɛnsɛm no arise up details and more de ate afa ho no ɛna yɛde bro Justice Blay contract no ɛbɛtɔ coach Prosper Ogumanim na yɛsa to ma Justice Blay agreeables bi ayɛ adwuma a ɛho asɛm aba ɔsɛ me de bro mo sɛ fan bi da screen no so Kotoko supporter na sesei no reward bi aba Kumasi Asante Kotoko HSA. Now we are going to celebrate a fan of the club and also who has some kakra bro on Super 24 TV. So me say a news too any about data no boy then ya fini be a long story bia into your concept straight away. Justice Nkoku Blay the contracts no ebe I'm told say on the 31st of December in a contract neighbor. But before that, Supporters Appreciation Week no eba so celebrating the role of the supporter. Asante Kotoko for all. Asante Kotoko for all. It is the Kotoko from penny for IMC no brain chart for from the abade same. Na ochibia no ye be supporter baako na ya celebrating no regarding Kumasi Asante Kotoko social media on the ground stadium in reality baby supporters no are going to be appreciated and it's going to be a weekly thing message when at Krobia Asante Kotoko at the Barbonting or say the IMC is pleased to introduce Supporters Appreciation Week, which is aimed at unifying our support base as well as appreciating the effort and contribution made by our supporters towards this great football club. Each week, a supporter will be picked randomly and celebrated as recognition of their contribution. Perfect. Kotoko for all. Asante Kotoko. Exi. Fabu census. And a hashtag. Let's say a idea na ochia a shasi ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko game against Nations FC FA Cup. I mean, I'll say Tuesday and as I game no ever. So now Ogum and coach Ogum coach. Everton ho say ope Prosper ope Justice Blay onka na mpanyifo ne Justice Blay enkasa. Na mpanyifo decide they say Justice Blay and the contract no ebe wiye 31st of December after Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Accra full game eba so in the 14th week, match day 14, the representatives of Justice Blay and Justice Blay himself and the IMC Ebesinkonya, then the contract renewal no talks no official here to renew. That's what I'm told. It's likely say Justice Blay ebe renew the contract no for Krobia Asante Kotoko for a deep truth source information I saka the ewo no for Frobia Saba yebe bro ewufia pato ha Super 24 TV. I'm Isha.